am at Camden Markets. I just forgot to say hello to you then. Hello. I'm at Camden Markets. It's very busy because it's a Sunday, and I'm looking around for something to eat, kind of. Like, I'm never usually the type of person that will try the street eats, but it would be nice to have some kind of pasta. So the thing is, there's never really anywhere to sit with it, so I don't know. But I'm in Camden anyway, and I'm having a look around all the markets and stalls. So kind of just come along with me and see what I get up to anyway. Street food vendors, how many there are. It's amazing. They've got pretty much everything. It's just quite overwhelming because it's so loud and busy. But let me show you properly.
Great. Saturday was better. Today, my nose is a little bit eating it good. So who's your high-level connection?
So I've just paid £15 for fish and chips, which is quite a lot actually, really. But it's where we are. So it's from, I can't show you properly, but that stand. And I'm waiting. I was thinking, where is there to sit? But there is a place over there that I can sit. Hopefully it's not full of people still when I get my order. But I'll find somewhere. It's because of where we are, but I was up this way filming a video, like a separate video to this. So I was like, well, whilst I'm here, I may as well eat. Like, I haven't really eaten in Camden Market, before. Usually I kind of just look at it, get overwhelmed, and then leave. So I'm treating myself today. So that's nice. It's really nice. It's restaurant style, not takeaway style. You can tell because the chips, the fries look like this. Chips, you know, depends where you're from in the world, but obviously I call them chips. But yeah, they're like restaurant. This is like what you would have in a restaurant, not a fast food fish and chip place. So yeah. Really nice. Really nice. That was a really nice fish and chips. It's going to get dark really soon, so I had to eat as quick as I could. Thank you for coming along with me. Hope you enjoyed that really short video. But yeah, you should come and try something. Have some nice food here. Camden's quite crazy, so go at a time when you think it'll be quiet. Like, don't go on the weekend, really. And yeah, I'll see you in another video. Bye.